pothole road champion today. We are in the backwoods looking for shrooms. Oh, yeah, I got a new tripod for my GoPro. Yeah, we got a nice elm here, and we're in the pines. It's dry though. I think I need to go down lower. Still, I'm gonna check, peek around, see what we got going on. Maybe my last day hunting up here in the North Kettles. We shall see. We shall see. We got a hawk or something. Mad. Angry. As we're coming in. So yeah, my instincts say to go low. We're bothering somebody in here though. That's for sure. I see the breed saddles. Theropora squamosus. Just going down. I see hardwoods mixed in, which is good. And hopefully some elm. And hopefully moisture. Of course, going down means I gotta go back up. Let's go. Well, this is skunk cabbage. That means it's too wet here for morels, but it's a little access point that I can get through, so I'm using it. It's very spongy and wet. I don't want to sink to my death in mud, so I'll get out of it soon. Plus, mosquitoes are heinous up in here. Ugh. Nasty. Nasty. Oh, there's some elm though. Cedars. I was told that they fruit morels, but it's dry. I'm not seeing any. Let's try another spot. Pretty dead elms in here. That's the ground cover and it's wet. I'm sure it's wetter before and maybe too wet because I don't see anybody. I don't see any mushrooms in here. Sure would like to though. Sure hope to. Freshly dead. Swampy though. It's up on a little hill, but I've thoroughly searched and nothing. Okay, moving on. So I see the bony fingers of death of an elm. Actually, maybe two. Let's check it out. Saw this double-trunked deadhead. And oh, it's loaded, but they're donkeys, but they're so dry. They're everywhere. I'll probably pick them for seed. Oh, it's so tragic that these were missed. Look at this dry one. Oh, he's huge. Let's walk around and see what else we can see. My, oh. Huge dry donkey. Look at the base on that. Look at the base. Holy cow. Another dry one. Oh, kind of hurts your heart to see them all dry like that. Oh goodness. Let's give it a walkabout. Oh my word. Here's one that was a granny. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll be looking here for a little while. Looking here for a little while. Oh. That's a big old donkey. Here's two cute little ones. Dried. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh dear. This will fill up your basket right quick. Okay, for these dry ones, gonna use my knife. Look at it. Unbelievable. Here's my biggest stem. Look at that monster. Look at that compared to my hand, my knife. It's a big boy. Yeah. Walk around a little bit. See, there's more. Oh, look at these huge things. Holy cow. Oh my word. Look at this here. Look at this thing. Dry donkey. Hee-haw. Crazy donkey. Crazy.
Crazy donkey.
Still looking. There's that granny. Oh, I see another one. Standing up over here. Put my stick down. That's noisy. Okay. There's this little guy. Dry little mutant. Oh, sadness. They still smell delicious, not rotten. So maybe they're just dehydrated. A double beauty of death. Already dried. No need for the dehydrator. Smells yummy. Smells fine. We haven't had any rain, so I'm thinking they're good. Woohoo! Okay. Here's that granny. Yeah, there he is. Granny's rotten on the tip. Still a beauty. I think I got them all now. I tipped that granny from the rot. Clean it up a little more. There we go. Ding dong. One more sweep around. See what we can see. Pick what we can pick. You can always find another one on these big trees. Look at this. Another little dry dude laying down. His final resting spot. Except if it's in my stomach. Still fresh in one little spot. Now I'm further away from the tree, and I'm finding them way out also. Like this one here. You can see my basket, you can see the trunks of the tree. So here he is, looking like a glorious donkey to me. So I'm still picking by these trees. You can kind of see they never really turn yellow. They're grays and they're dry. Plunk. So yeah, if I circle the spot 3 times without finding one, then I consider it properly picked. So you really got to squat, walk slowly, check around every branch, because they in here. They're hiding. They are camouflage. Monster. We'll leave him to his spores. We'll just tuck him under some leaves here and get the next generation next year going. Yeah. Thank you, trees, for your bounty. You're epic. I'll be back next year to say hello. Guess what happened? A ginormous donkey happened. Oh, come on now. Look at this dude. Oh. Look at this. Look at him. Oh. Jeepers. That's what happens when you find a good tree. Oh yeah. Get down to their level, baby. Then you'll see them. Then you see the donkeys. Okay, the donkey cam. Gotta get back up in here. Gotta give him his spot. Put this pack back on and get out of here before I find another one. We're back. Let's check our bounty. Let's count our old, dry mushrooms up in here. Ugh. Let's see. There's one. Donkey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. It's got a little dirt. Gotta remove that right off the bat. You know, these are gonna make decent soup. So 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. At least a pound. At least a pound. Join me next time for a 5-course gourmet morel mushroom dinner to celebrate the end of the 2023 morel hunting season. After that comes July and delicious buttery chanterelles and sweet fragrant black trumpets. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Tattooed Granny. Please like and subscribe.